Every family seems to have one of those designated art kids, and in my family, that was me. Every year, I would get one of those big art supply kits that has a million colors in it, but they were all really terrible paints. This art supply kit is one that I actually would have been really excited about getting. It's Meaden's 48-piece kit. It comes with a ton of paint. It comes with the cutest little tabletop easel, which I've never had one before, and it's so cute. Like, it's so cute. They include so much paint, and it's not like these tiny little worthless tubes either. It's actual full-size tubes, all different kinds, tons of different colors to try out. And not only do they give you a whole bunch of paint, they also give you a bunch of art tools. A set of really beautiful brushes, a color wheel, a palette paper, tons of stuff to paint on, white canvas, black canvas, canvas panels, canvas sheets. There's 48 different things in here, and all of them are very nice. And not only are they very nice, they look really nice, and art kids like myself do appreciate us some nice packaging, and this is that. This is the art supply kit I would have actually been excited about as a kid. Like, I'm not playing. I am so excited that I have this as an adult. It's really nice. They are not paying me to say this. I'm allowed to say anything that I want to. I do have some leftover salt about all of those crummy art supply kits that I got growing up. Like, am I grateful that I got them? Absolutely. Do I wish that they were actually worth something? Yes, that would have been great. If we could travel back in time to when I was a kid and get me one of these, I would have loved it. I've never seen an art supply kit that comes with stretched canvas and canvas panels, and there are even palette knives in here, and they are really nice, and I am a palette knife connoisseur. I use them every day to make my paint, and now I have 2 new ones, and they're really good. But yeah, tons of canvas to work on, tons of paint to use, really nice paint brushes. If you have an art kid in your family and you're thinking, like, what do I do for them this Christmas? Do not go and buy them one of those giant multi-piece kits full of crummy art supplies. They aren't going to like it, and they actually might doubt their ability as an artist, because when you use crummy art supplies, they don't work very well, and at the end, it never really looks good. So they put all of this effort into this beautiful art piece, and at the end of it, it doesn't look nice because the paint is bad. And they think, wow, I must be really terrible at this. You won't have that problem here. These are really nice paints. If you want it, get you one. They seem to sell out really quickly. When this box arrived in the mail, it was enormous, and opening it felt like Christmas for me. I'm a whole grown adult, and I felt a flashback to being a young art kid, actually excited to open this package. Do what you want to, but I do feel like your designated art kid in your family would really like this box. Anyway, goodbye.